We have a 4-hour shutdown window to complete this in. There's 60, 65 addresses that were shutting down with water this morning. Because if pressure is down within those lines for more than 4 hours, morning guys, we are out here at one of our utility projects. Jesus and his crew smashed this job. We ran into one issue up here that has been kind of up in the air for about 45, 60 days. We finally coordinated with the city, the engineer, got everybody on the same page. We have a 4-hour shutdown window to complete this in. You'll see we're gonna be cutting our saddle that we installed on an existing AC line. That line moved. Thrust block was accepted, thrust block was inspected. It's a big thrust block. You guys will see it coming off, but it was in the saturated highway ditch of literally a 6-lane highway, state highway here, and all that drainage, and we had 70 days of rain. We pressured that dude up, and she moved about 4 inches and unbelled a piece of ductile. So with all of that said, we had to get the city involved, we had to get the engineer involved. Hey, what do you guys want us to do here? We're ready to get it fixed. They suggested something, city approved it, our contract holder, we got everything figured out, and we're here now. So starting last Friday, the crew went out. There's 60, 65 addresses that were shutting down with water this morning. Basically, they're gonna be out of water, everything north of here, right? So they have been notified through the city. Yes, they're still gonna be upset, but we have to not only change out our saddle and valve to a T and valve, high max each side, and fix this run. We've also got to get concrete behind it, get some weight on it, and get the city to turn back the water on within that 4 hours. What happens if not? Well, in the state of Arkansas, we got to issue a boil order, because if pressure is down within those lines for more than 4 hours, rechlorination, it can get into a whole kit and caboodle. And I'm hoping I don't have to explain any of that to y'all, because we're fixing to knock this out. I'm here to keep the 7 guys that are going to be standing here watching these guys do their job. Jesus has done an amazing job this morning. We got all our tools, we got all our batteries, we got fuel, we got every little thing that we need. It's the small things that can catch you. And literally, he's got it all prepped and ready. I'm here this morning to ensure that it goes smooth and be here for anything that he might need. So let's get it. I love these mornings.
Libre.
You're trying to do?
No, this is the old one.
Okay. Okay. I'm sitting here thinking, Zeus, would it not be beneficial if I went and got that big Traco, set it right here to have an extra arm to move this around with? Yeah, and in that way, yeah, I think so.
We can make it more deep in here.
Yeah, when we dig?
More low.
Okay.
And like that, we have a more big support. Okay. No, they don't pass anymore like that.
Yeah. Okay.
If you want to span to here, don't matter. Just and here we can leave it about two feet deep,
Okay. Yeah.
And they can hold it. So like that, the pipe they don't come this way.
Yeah.
And the other side too.
Well, they're not.
Yes,
are you talking about thrust block up to it?
Yeah. Just in this room, in this space, we can deep more.
Yeah, no. We're gonna dump that whole thing with concrete. Yeah, it's not moving.
Yeah, no movie.
No movie.
Coupling.
Right there, high max. Okay. A normal coupling in our world is what we call a long sleeve. We're not normally allowed to use these because they're so goddamn expensive. We can use them, but they're just ridiculous. Why? Because there's only 2 bolts.
Yep.
So this 6-inch is gonna go right there where that bell is.
Yes, sir.
Another one of these is gonna go right there. We're gonna come pipe out of the T. Boom, boom. High max, high max. We're gonna lay this stick on here, put the T on it. Boop. No long sleeve, high max, pour mud.
What time is concrete?
10:30.
How many yards?
However many we can fit back there, about 3.5 probably.
Llévatela. Arriba. Recto.
We ain't got everything. There's something on this detail. Normally they don't call out for rebar on our thrust blocks. This go around, they are. So I'm gonna have to run right across the highway and grab some rebar. They're gonna shut the valve down at 9 o'clock, okay? After that, don't cut it, don't do nothing yet for about 15, 20 more minutes. We're gonna make sure these guys aren't out of water, because they can't be out of water. So we're gonna figure that out. They'll come up, tell you guys are good. Let's start digging here, undress that, cut it, take care of this. I'm gonna go get some rebar.
You got it. Okay, get that, pull it. So yours, Baba. Ahí está. All right. Hey, put it down. Yes, sir. Got it. Bien. Duro. Bonito. Beautiful. Gordo. Nice. Woo. Okay, Speedy. What? What's the play?
While we wear hard hats.
Okay. You can push it this side if you need it.
Come that way.
What's up for me?
There we go. Larry, you like it? Yeah. Let it rest. Let it get bolted. We've got a 6-inch mark. But they didn't want to dig this up, obviously, before it was. What's the head score right now with the damn market?
Pretty high.
Highest it's ever been.
Got to clean it first.
They cleaned it up there.
Oh, they did?
They did, yes, sir.
Right there is good. That's enough.
As you guys know, that thrust block moved. The city has required that we turn around, put some rebar in this. We've got concrete on site. Everything's ready to roll. Had a little bit of hiccup this morning. There's no doubt. But we're put together now. We're getting some gravel in there, raising that tee up. And then we got to finish running that 8-inch line. But the city can pretty much get their valve turned on here pretty quickly here in about the next 30-40 minutes. So we shut down at 9 o'clock. It's 10:35 right now. Basically, we need to have it back on by 1. So we are doing really well ahead of schedule. Basically, I wanted to have everything put together by 11 o'clock, get it dug behind there by 11:30, mud poured, basket in, and then as they turn that valve on, we can go ahead and have our water turned back on. It is hot, guys. It's $110 today in the sun. There's probably 20 degrees difference between the shade and the dadgum sun. But it's going. It's going. You got the drone with you? Because I don't know if we got enough trucks here today.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, much more better. I'm glad we caught that, boys. Okay. You gotta shoot? Okay.
Nothing. Just to hold the, just to hold the tape. How to tape, don't matter. You break it. Ready? In the center, Baba.
Yeah, normal gasket in there, but that's speak his language.
Ya. Dale, para allá, mi chino. No, ahí estás bien. Bájale, ahí bájale. Bájale. Tú contrólala, güey, poco deténla. Levántala para que no agarre grava. Apúchala para abajo tú, apúchala.
What do you think? Yeah, there you go. Slide that on there. We have some things really didn't go our way on the material side. And held us up for sure. So it is 12:57 and they are filling their water line right now. It was brutal in that sun today. Brutal. Big shout out to Jesus. Big shout out Angel, Marcos, Garrett and Tanner. We did the best that we could do with what we had. Let's put it that way. Eventually we got all the materials here. Big shout out to SMG on this deal. They kind of hosed us at the first get-go, but man, they made it right and they got us here in time, so big shout out there. But seriously, when you're doing this, it's really hard to get, it's really easy to get unfocused. You guys can tell I'm wore out, I'm tired, I can't even talk, but I just wanted to We've had 4 or 5 engineers the whole time, our contract holder, the owner of the building, all 3 city inspectors. We had everybody here. And my job is to ensure that they ask me the questions and not Jesus, so Jesus can focus on putting that in. And he did a great job from what we started this morning. Why'd we do this? Again, that AC line pushed back. Our thrust block was accepted, inspected. No fault to our own, but it's not like we're getting paid a change order on this deal, so drop an extra like on the video if you wouldn't mind. This one hurts today. It's been pretty brutal, but at the same time, glad to have it done, glad to move on to the next one, and proud of the boys, and glad we did what we did.